आरम्भं करोतु महोदय।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवाद।
सम्यक् अस्ति। अस्तु, अस्तु। गतसप्ताहस्य विषये केऽपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा?
नमस्ते महोदय।
नमस्ते। गृहकार्यस्य विषये अपि केऽपि प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? अस्तु।
न महोदय।
अस्तु। गतकक्षायां वयं ऋकारान्तशब्दानां विषये किञ्चित् पठितुम् आरम्भं कृतवन्तः। अद्य तस्य समापनं कुर्मः। So we studied akaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta, pumlinga, akaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta, and ukaranta strilinga, and akaranta napumsakalinga. The last thing that we have to study is the rukaranta shabda. They exist in Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, but for Pravesha, our scope is only Pumlinga and Strilinga. It's very easy. So the reason it's called Rukaranta is because the Pratipadikam ends in R, Kartru. Just like when we say Rama Shabda is Akaranta because Ra-M-A, Rama, Akaranta, it ends in A. So Akara Anta Yasya Bhavati Akaranta Shabdaha Asti. Evameva Kartru, Kartru. अस्या पदस्य अन्ते ऋकारन्तः भवति, अतः ऋकारन्त शब्द इति उच्यते। सो कर्तृशब्दस्य पुंलिङ्गरूपे किं किं भवति इति वयं पश्यामः इदानीं। कर्ता, कर्तारौ, कर्तारः प्रथमविभक्तौ। हे कर्ता, हे कर्तारौ, हे कर्तारः, कर्तारं, कर्तारौ, कर्तॄन्, कर्ता, कर्तृभ्यां। वदतु महोदय।
Are you sharing a screen? We are not seeing it.
Oh, क्षम्यतां, क्षम्यताम्। इदानीं दृश्यते वा?
आं महोदय।
आं महोदय। दृष्टौ।
फुल स्क्रीन मध्ये अस्ति। दृश्यते वा फुल स्क्रीन?
आं महोदय।
अस्तु। सो कर्ता, कर्तारौ, कर्तारः. So we talked a lot of times about when we are doing an analysis of any vakyam, we say who's the karta, karta kaha iti. We used to say, remember? So that karta is the same as this karta, and this is where the word karta comes from. So prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः हे कर्तः हे कर्तारौ हे कर्तारः कर्तारं कर्तारौ कर्तॄन् कर्त्रा कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभिः कर्त्रे कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभ्यः कर्तुः कर्तृः कर्तृभ्यां कर्तृभ्यः कर्तृः कर्तुः क्षम्यतां कर्तुः कर्त्रोः कर्तॄणां कर्तरि कर्त्रोः कर्तृषु. So what are the patterns that we see here? Anybody?
Almost like Hari Shabda Mahodaya.
What are the
Kartru.
similarities? What are the
Lot of
similarities?
similarities.
वदतु के सन्ति ते के? The most obvious is Trutiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Dvivachanam, Bhyam Bhyam Bhyam. Always. Ramabhyam,
Yes.
Sitabhyam. So, Trutiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Dvivachanam, you can blindly say almost always ends in Bhyam. Trutiya, Bahuvachanam ends in Bihi, and Chaturthi, Panchami ends in Bhyaha. Sitabhihi, Nadibhihi, Haribhihi एवमेव सीताभ्यः नदीभ्यः हरिभ्यः गुरुभ्यः कर्तृभ्यः कर्तृभ्यः चतुर्थी पंचमी done easy. Again पंचमी षष्ठी एकवचनम they are the same कर्तुः कर्तुः and in द्विवचनम षष्ठी and सप्तमी are the same कर्तोः कर्त्रोः कर्त्रोः. And Dvitiya Ekavachanam ends in as almost always it does. And like Bhagya Mahodaya pointed out, the Dvitiya Bahuvachanam ends in un, like Hareen, Gurun, Dirgham, Kartrun, Gurun, Hareen. And then for Sambodhana, except for Ekavachanam, the Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam are the same as Prathama Vibhakti. Any other patterns?
Some things are similar to Rama Shabda,
What are those?
like Kartarau, Kartaraha,
Dvivachanam.
He Dvivachanam.
Satya. So the easiest way to remember all of these is to identify these patterns. That way you can derive them yourself. 99% of the time you can derive them, except when we encounter exceptions. So let us put this into practice. So the Vibhakti meanings will always be the same. So nothing about that changes. So let us, so just like Kartru, Datru, Vaktru, Dhatru, Api, Samanam, Rupa. What is Dhatru? Maybe
Giver, right? Someone who
Giver.
Giver.
Data.
Prathama ekavachana roopam asti data. Data means somebody is giving. So Vaktru, try the similar thing by the same exercise. Vaktru.
Vakta.
Vakta. Vakta
One
kaha.
is speaking.
One.
Speaking.
Satya.
One.
Dhatru. Dhatru.
Creator.
Dhata. Dhata. Correct. Creator,
One who
protector.
gives.
No. One who gives is Data.
Data.
This is Dha.
Dhatra. Okay.
The Annadata is the data. Annadata.
Satyam. Vidhata is this Dhatra.
This data.
Satyam. So
What is the
let
meaning
us
of
do
the Datra?
Datru.
Datra.
Dhatra.
Is data.
Protector, God,
Okay.
iti.
Dha is the dharati, this thing dhatu.
Dharayati, dharayati iti
One
dhatu.
which holds.
Satyam, satyam.
Dharayati.
Dhru dhatu, I think. Dhru.
Satyam. So let us, using any of these four pratipadikams, let us form sentences in ekavachana. In dvivachana and bahuvachana, it will be, the meaning will be the same. It will be two and multiple. So Sri Vidya Mahodaye, please start us out using kartru, datru, vaktru or dhatru and prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Please form a sentence.
Datra.
Hmm.
Datra is giver, isn't it?
Satyam, satyam.
Okay, okay. Datra. Janakaha Vikshunam Dhanam Data.
No.
Data is karta. Karta. It has to be karta.
Karta. Okay.
Prathama vibhakti, right? So karta.
Karta. Datra.
Janakaha.
Janakaha Bhikshunam Dhanam Datha Asti. Data.
How?
Bhikshu. Oh.
No. I think you're complicating it unnecessarily. So if you take Rama Shabda, what is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam?
Ramaha.
Ramaha. And if I say use it in a sentence, form a simple sentence using Ramaha.
See, Ramaha.
Ramaha Balakaha Asti. Don't complicate. Ramaha Balakaha Asti. Rama is a boy.
Okay.
So who's the hold on. Who's the karta there? Ramaha Balakaha Asti. Ramaha Asti. Because it is karta because it's Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Now try.
Dhata giver is Data. Bhikshunam Dhanam Data Mama Pita Asti. Mama Pita Asti.
Mama.
Pita.
No.
Mama. Bhikshunam Dhanam Data Mama Pita Asti.
Mama Janakaha Data Asti.
Janakaha.
Mama Janakaha.
Is it Bhikshunam Dhanam Data?
See, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Keep it very simple. You're complicating things. Mama Pita, Mama Janakaha.
Mama Pita.
Bhikshukaya Dhanam Dadati. Don't complicate things. Keep it 2 or 3 words. Mama Janakaha Bhikshukaya.
Bhikshukaya.
Kshamyatam. No. We are not using data, right? Mama Janakaha Data Asti.
That's Mama Janakaha Data Asti.
My father is a
giver.
That's all. That's all. Let's first get the concept right. Then we can make more complex sentences. Uttamam. Vijay Meenan Mahodaya. Sambodhana. Ekavachanam.
Okay, data. No, data.
Anything. You can take data, vakta, dhatru, kartru, whatever you want.
Okay. Hey kartah agachatu.
Hey kartaha.
Hey kartah come here. Agachatu.
What is the meaning of that? Hey doer, come here.
here.
सत्यं सत्यं
Yeah.
सुधा महोदय द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं
अहम् एकः दातारं पश्यामि
एकं दातारम्
एकम् अहम् एकं दातारं पश्यामि
उत्तमं what is the meaning of that
I see a giver
उत्तमम् एकं दातारं पश्यामि उत्तमम् हेमन्ती महोदय तृतीया विभक्ति
why is it ekam oh right
tell me why
vishesha visheshana
विशेषण विशेष भावः
bhava
there
Anumodya.
it is one donor I'm saying one donor vadatu pruchatu
Is this sentence okay? Data sarvebhyah bhikshukebhyah annam dadati.
वक्तुं शक्यते सत्यं
You can define data like that. Data sarvebhyah bhikshukebhyah annam dadati. Is it okay?
You can, that sentence is okay. Yah danam karoti saha data. That is the definition. But fine. So that is where the yad shabda comes. So usually when you do the definition, the yad shabda comes into play.
I wrote also yah dadati saha data.
Even simpler. Yah dadati saha data. Ya dadati sa, whatever the equivalent of data in Strilinga is. Satyam, satyam.
Shamyakta Mahodaya, like I lost the audio. Could you please tell me the meaning of the Datru, Vaktru and Datru?
Kartru is one who does things. Datru is one who gives. So Data. Vaktru is one who speaks. Dhatru is one who protects or God or one who bears. Something like that.
Astu. Dhanyavad.
Astu. Hemanti Mahodaya. Tritiya vibhaktau vakyam rachayatu.
Kartra. So that is with the doer or with the giver.
Aham kartra saha gruham gacchami.
Okay.
Right?
Okay,
I think you're all complicating this too much. Keep it extremely simple. You reuse the same sentences. So Sudha Mahodaya said, right? Aham kartaram pashyami. We have used that sentence 100 times. So use something similar. Don't complicate it. Vadatu. Tritiya vibhakti.
Okay. So that if I use datru, so it's datra. Okay. Aham datra saha gacchami.
Aham datra saha gacchami.
Gacchami. Okay.
I am going with the donor.
Going with the donor. Okay.
Aham datra saha mandiram gacchami.
Okay.
Tatra aham danam karomi. Simple. Chaturthi vibhakti. Kasya kramaha Lakshmi Mahodaya.
धात्रे नमः.
उत्तमम्.
Salutation to
Also
the
the same.
giver.
I had also same thing.
Salutation to the giver.
I had also the same thing.
Okay.
Short and sweet. Very nice. Very nice. Ramu Mahodaya. Ramu Mahodaya. Panchami Vibhakti.
Sorry. अहम कर्तुम अशक्यम.
कर्तुम न कर्तुः पंचमी
कर्तुः
विभक्ति.
कर्तुः अशक्यम.
How is what is kartuhu? From panchami vibhakti. From.
Okay. Okay.
Now.
Okay. Sorry, I am not getting.
कस्य क्रमः? नारायणन् महोदय.
Can I try, Mahoday?
Wait for your turn, महोदय. नारायणन् महोदय.
भिक्षुकः कर्तुः धनं यच्छति.
धातुः कर्तुः. धातुः is more appropriate, but
धातुः धनं यच्छति.
अर्थः कः?
The beggar begs money from the giver, donor.
From the giver or takes money, prapnoti. Dhatuhu dhanam prapnoti. Uttama. Usha Mahoday. Shashti Vibhakti.
Aham kartuhu pustakam patati.
पुनः वदतु. अहं पठति वा?
पठामि.
पुनः सम्पूर्णं वाक्यम्.
अहं कर्तुः पुस्तकं पठामि. कर्तुः पुस्तकं पठामि.
उत्तमं. सिम्पल् सेण्टेन्स्. अर्थः कः?
I am reading the book of the karta.
Of the giver, of the doer. Uttama. 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 Anupama Mahoday. Saptami Vibhakti. Anupama Mahoday अस्ति वा? अस्तु. सुमित्रा महोदय कृपया करोतु.
Okay.
Saptami Vibhakti. Kartari sadgunaga santi.
Kartari sadgunaha santi. So uttamam. Meaning is what? What is the meaning?
In the giver, all the good qualities are there in the giver.
In the doer, kartari or tatari. If you want to say giver, tatari. Kartari.
Mahodaya, can we say kartari uttamaha gunaha asti?
Say isn't that what Sumitra
Similar.
Mahodaya said?
Yeah.
Mahodaya, kartari grihe gachami.
Kartari gruham gachami. Gruham gachami.
Griham, is that okay?
Is it gruham gachami
Gachami
or
means we
gruham?
should use Ditya Vibhakti.
With gam dhatu, you have to use Ditya Vibhakti.
Bhanu Mahadaya, can we use this for among the givers, Karna is the best. So Kartari, Karnaha, Kartarim, Kartari.
You have to use Bahuvachanam, right?
Shreshtaha.
You have to use Bahuvachanam, right?
Kartrushu. Kartrushu. Kartrushu Uttam Shreshtaha asti.
Datrushu Karnaha Uttamaha asti.
Datru.
Datrushu.
Datrushu.
Prashnaha santi va? We just need more practice, so we'll take this for homework. Keep the sentences very, very simple. I am seeing, I am giving to the whatever I am taking from that person. I am going with this person. Keep it simple like that. Get a handle on the topic, and then we can make more complicated sentences. So those who are studying in advanced classes, they would recognize the word kartari. Kartari prayoga, active voice, in karta. So that is where this word comes from. Anyway, that's a vadatu bhagya mahoday.
कर्तुः पदस्य प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति. वाक्यं सम्यक् अस्ति वा?
What do you want to say? Kartuhu?
प्रथमा विभक्ति कर्तृपदस्य प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति.
What bhavati? Karta bhavati?
कर्तृपदः प्रथमा विभक्तिये right? उपयोगं करोति. कर्तृपदस्य उपयोगः प्रथमा विभक्ति. I want to say in prathama vibhakti, we use kartrupada.
So vibhakti is ikaranta strilinga. So in so saptami. So what is vibhakti? The word vibhakti.
Vibhaktyaha. I'm sorry, vibhaktyaha.
Saptami.
Vibhaktyam. Vibhaktyam. So prathama vibhaktyam. Kartuhu padasya upayogah bhavati. Should I say that?
Satyam.
Dhanyavadah Mahoday.
Astu. Anye prashnaah santi va? Now let's look at Pitru Shabda. It is very similar to Kartru Shabda except for some minor differences. Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, He Pitaha, He Pitarau, He Pitaraha, Pitaram, Pitarau, Pitrun or Pitaraha, Pitra, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhihi, Pitre, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha, Pituhu, Pitrubhyam, Pitrubhyaha, Pituhu, Pitroho, Pitrunam, Pitari, Pitoho, Pitrushu. Pitrushu. So again, what are the patterns?
Dvivachanam, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Dvivachanam.
But Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam is not Pitarau, it is Pitarau.
So Tritiya Bahuvachanam ends in Bihi again. Chaturthi and Panchami Bahuvachanam ends in Bhyaha as always. Panchami and Shashti Ekavachanam, they are the same. Shashti and Saptami Dvivachanam are the same. As Sri
Bahuvachanam Pitaraha Pitaraha. Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya is also same. If we don't use Pitran.
Satyam. And Sambodhana and Prathama are the same in Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam except for the He. There is any very easy way to remember the Pitru Shabda. So Pitru Shabda is the same as Kartru Shabda except as Sri Vidya Mahoday was pointing out, Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha, Pita, Pitarau. It is not Pitarau, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha, Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha. Except for the Hraswa, everything else is the same as Kartru. So, whenever you see any relationship, a word that describes a relationship, an actual relationship like father, brother, mother, etc. Pitru is father, Bhratru is brother, Jamatru, does anybody know Jamatru?
Son-in-law.
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 Son-in-law. Son-in-law. So for these types of words, they all follow the Pitru form. So Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, Bhrata, Bhratarau, Bhrataraha. For non-relationship type words that end in Rikaranta, they will have the Dirgha. That's one easy way of remembering. So Data, Vakta, Dhata, Karta, they are not relationship type of words. I mean immediate familial relationships, right? So there you'll have the Dirgha, Kartarau, Datarau, Dataraha, etc. For relationship type of words, it is Pittarau, Pittaraha. Other than that, it is the same as Kartri Shabda. Clear? Bala Mahodaya, using Pitru, Bhratru or Jamatru, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Krupaya Vakyam Rachayetu.
Mama Pita Nasti.
Astu, astu. Manjula Mahodaya, Sambodhana Ekavachanam.
He Pitru.
Atra Pashyatu.
Pitaha. Pitaha. Will it become Pitraha?
No, this is the form.
He Pitaha then. He Pitaha mama graham agachatu.
Hey father, come to my home. Uttama. Viraj Mahodaya.
Maurya, Ekanimisham. In Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 26th shloka, Tatra Pashyat Sthitan Parthaha Pitrun Nata Pitamahan.
Okay.
Then Acharyan Matulan Bhratrun Putran Pautran Sakhim Sthatha. So this Pitrun comes there.
Astu. You said Pitrun, Bhratrun.
Pitrun, Bhratrun.
Astu. Astu. Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. So they are using it as the Karma Pada in that shloka. Astu. Dhanyavadaha. Viraj Mahodaya. Dvitiya Ekavachanam.
Pitaram. Aham Pitaram Pruchami.
Aham Pitaram Pruchami. I am asking the father a question. Astu. Chaitra Mahodaya.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Chaturthi. Kshamyatam. Tritiya.
Aham Pitra Saha Apanam Gamishyami.
Uttamam. Artha kaha?
I will go to the market with my father.
Uttamam. Meera Mahodaya. Chaturthi. You can use any of these dhatus, Pratipadikam. You don't have to use Pitru. It's up to you.
Shwashuraha Jamatre Paritosham Dadati.
Paritoshikam Dadati.
Paritoshikam Dadati.
Artha kaha?
The father-in-law is giving gift to the son-in-law.
Upayanam Paritoshikam for the son-in-law. Uttamam. Who did I miss here? Harsha Mahodaya. Panchami Vibhakti.
Aham Pituhu Upaharam Yachati.
Yachati va aham. When you say aham,
Swikaromi. Swikaromi.
not yachati, yachami.
Right. Yachami.
Artha kaha.
I am accepting gift from my father.
Sampurnam vakyam punaha vadatu.
Okay. Aham pituhu upaharam yachami.
Astu. Uttama. Vijay Sundar Mahodaya, Shashti Vibhakti.
Banu Mahodaya, shouldn't it be Swikaromi, not Yachami? Yachami is to give.
Yachami is to give. Swikaromi. Swikaromi. Satya.
Swikaromi. Aham pituhu upaharam swikaromi.
Satya. Uttama. Vijay Sundar Mahodaya.
Namaste Mahodaya. Pituhu janaka na asti.
Astu. So father's father is not there. Is that what you want to say?
Yes.
Satya. Rohini Mahodaya. Saptami Vibhakti.
Pitari. Can we say something that he possesses? No.
No, Saptami Vibhakti Mahodaya. Saptami. In, on.
Pitari uttama gunani santi.
Uttam gunaha pumlinga. Uttamaha gunaha santi. Pitari, mama pitari, uttamaha gunaha santi. In my father, all the good qualities are there. Uttama. Any questions here? Pitarau Dvivachanam. In Prathama and Dvitiya, there is a very famous shloka. Does anybody Jagadap Pitarau? Anybody remember?
Vagartha
Parameshwaram. Artha kaha?
I am see, like the word and its meaning. Parvati and Parameshwara are inseparable. I am worshipping them. Who is the father of the whole world? Parents of the whole world.
Parents. There Pitarau is used to indicate mother and father. So, Astu. So, Pitarau normally means two fathers, or in Dvitiya Vibhakti forms two fathers. Parantu, when we say parents, also the Pitarau word is used. So, like this shloka that we just talked about, Pitarau just doesn't mean two fathers, it means mother and father. So just like the word and its meaning are inseparable, same way Shiva and Parvati are inseparable. To that inseparable parents, aham vande, Jagadap Pitarau vande. Vande means I do the naman. Spashtam va? Prashna santi va?
Here also it means the same. Here
there
in
the Pitaro will
Bhakti
be
table
Ekavacham.
also.
Okay, one at a time, please. Sri Vidya Mahodaya, Vadat.
In this Vibhakti table also, it does it mean the same, Pitarau?
Here it means two fathers.
Fathers. Okay.
You can also say Mata Pitarau, right?
Mata Pitarau api vaktum shakyate. Satyam. Ramu Mahodaya, what were you saying?
Here that there the Pitaro will be in one Ekavachan, no?
No, Dvivachana. Not Ekavachana.
Okay. Okay. No, like in Sankhya Shabda.
No. Pitarau. No.
Okay.
Pitarau
Okay.
there means mother and father.
Okay.
To mother and father of the world, Aham Mande. That is what the meaning is. Or if you want to be Vadatu.
May I?
Vadatu Mahodaya.
Yeah. Can I say Mama Pitarau Nasti?
You can say that. You can say that. Na asti na staha.
Sta. Okay, correct. Sta.
Astu. अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा?
Mahodaya, in Prathama Vibhakti, can we say Krishnaha Jagat Pita Asti?
Satyam. Krishna, Shri Krishnaha Jagat Pita Asti.
Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya.
So one thing, please note, when we see Pita, for example, our mind immediately goes to, oh, it must be an Akaranta Strilinga, because that is the one that we have learned so far. Sita, Lata, Mala, etc. So it's not like that. So, so far we have studied words in Akaranta, etc., where there were distinct patterns. Now we are studying the Rukaranta. So it is Pita. So don't get confused when you say Pita or Bhrata or Jamata and think that it is Akaranta Strilinga or some other form. It is Rukaranta. So whenever you see in the Pullinga form, it is most likely a Rukaranta word. Most likely. Not always, but most likely. So we studied
like Kartru.
Karta, Satyam. So just like Pitru Shabda, Matru Shabda is very similar, except it is in Strilinga. Mata, Matarau, Mataraha, He Mataha, He Matarau, He Mataraha, Mataram, Matarau, Matruhu or Mataraha, Matra, Matrubhyam, Matrubhihi, Matre, Matrubhyam, Matrubhyaha, Matuhu, Matrubhyam, Matrubhyaha, Matuhu, Matroho, Matrunam, Matari, Matroho, Matrushu. Again, the same patterns apply. Bhyam for Tritiya, Dvivachanam, Dihi for Tritiya, Bahuvachanam, Bhyaha for Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami, Bahuvachanam. Panchami, Shashti, Ekvachanam are the same. Shashti, Saptami, Dvivachanam are the same. Prathama and Sambodhana are the same. And Dvitiya are the same in Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Ekavachana, Prathama and Sambodhana is where you will see some difference. Again, just like Pita, Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, it is Mata, Matarau, Mataraha. So remember I said, whenever we are talking about human relationships, there won't be the Dirgha. Karta, Kartarau, Kartaraha, Parantu, Mata, Matarau, Mataraha, Pita, Pitarau, Pitaraha, etc. So Matru is mother. What is Duhitru?
Son?
No, Strilinga Shabda.
Daughter.
Granddaughter.
Three.
Dauhitri is daughter, right? Dauhitri is daughter.
Duhita, I think it's daughter. Yatru?
Traveler.
I don't think it is traveler. Drushtvā vadami. I will see and let you know. Chinta masti. So again, let's. Has everybody got a turn? Has anybody not got a turn in making?
I didn't get it, Mahodaya.
Vadatu. Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Using matru or duhitru, please form a sentence.
Saha sa mata gacchati.
Artha kaha?
That mother is going.
Uttama. Srividya Mahodaya, Sambodhana, Ekavachanam.
He Mataha Asman Annam Dadatu. Dadatu.
Asman.
Dadatu.
Asman.
Asman. Aham. Mama.
Chaturthi vibhakti. Asmat shabda.
Mahyam, no?
Oh. Maya.
Mahyam.
Maya. Mahyam Annam Dadatu.
For me, please give me food.
For me. Mahyam.
Uttama. Vijay Meenan Mahodaya. Dvitiya vibhakti.
Matram. Matram.
When you
one lovely song is there.
When you encounter the word Mataram, something should pop in your mind.
Vande Matram. Yeah, Vande Matram.
What does that mean? Vande Mataram. Is that a Vakyam? Sampurnam Vakyam?
Yes, actually, salutation to the mother.
No. That is the English translation that we learned before we learned Sanskritam. What is Vande? No. Please, Haraprasad Mahodaya, mute yourself. We speak by turns.
Vande is salutation only, no? Vande. Praying.
Atmanepadi dhatu.
Vande.
Okay.
Sorry.
Who wants to say what is Vande?
I salute.
Vande. Aham Vande.
Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Uttama Purusha.
Vande means I salute. So Vande Vande.
So I salute.
I salute.
Mahodaya, can we say Vande Mataram iti aham vadami?
You can say that. Vande, I say, I salute to mother. You can say that. Or Vande Mataram, I salute to mother.
Dhanyavad.
First. So don't forget.
Okay, Vande, I salute. Sorry.
Chinta master. We need abhyasa. We'll do more abhyasa in Atmanepadi. Astu. Sudha Mahodaya, Tritiya vibhakti.
Aham matra vina annam na kadami.
Uttamam. Meaning?
I won't eat my meal without my mother.
Uttamam. Harsha Mahodaya, Chaturthi vibhakti.
Aham matre jalam dadami.
Artha kaha?
I am giving water to my mother.
For my mother. Astu. Lakshmi Mahodaya, Panchami vibhakti.
Matruhu. Matruhu vina.
Matuhu.
Vina can be used even in the Panchami vibhakti, no Mahodaya.
We are, for this level, we are using it only in Tritiya, so let us not confuse everybody.
Okay. So, Matruha.
Matuhu, not matruhu.
Matuhu. Ha. Matuhu taha aham annam yachami.
No. I told you this before. When you use taha, you have to use it with the pratipadika, not the vibhakti form. Ramat, Ramataha, not Ramat taha. Ramataha, Sita taha, Nadi taha. Punaha. Keep it simple, Mahoday. I accept water from my mother, annam from my mother.
Aham matruhu jalam swikaromi.
Matuhu, not matruhu. Matuhu.
Aham matuhu jalam swikaromi.
Uttamam. Keep it simple. Usha Mahoday. Shashti vibhakti.
Aham matuhu annam khadami.
Matuhu annam khadami. Astu. I'm eating my mother's cooking. Astu.
Yeah.
Astu. Bhagya Mahoday. Saptami.
Saha matari vishwasam karoti.
Saha matari vishwasam karoti. In artha kaha?
He trusts his mother.
His matari.
In mother.
He trusts in mother.
Yeah.
Astu. Satyam. Astu. That's the last set of vibhakti forms we will learn. We will do a lot more abhyasa as part of homework and in the upcoming weeks, so that it will be as easy as Rama Shabda, Sita Shabda. Prashnaha santi va? No chet agre saramaha. Let's look at, we did one Subhashita last time. Let us do few more Subhashitas. These are in the Pravesha book. They will come for the exam. So like I said last time, there are 10 Subhashitas. You have to memorize the meaning of those Subhashitas and write in Samskrita, English or Tamil. So there is nothing hard about it. You just have to learn the meanings of it. They won't ask you for any analysis of the Subhashitas. You just have to write the meaning of them. Kasya kramaha asti? Narayanan Mahodaya. Krupaya pathatu.
Udyame naiva siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi nahi suptasya simmasya pravishanti muke mrigaha.
Udyame naiva siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. We have seen this, studied this Subhashitam before, right?
Yes, Mahodaya. Yes.
So, Udyamena iva. Udyamena. What is that, Udyamena?
By effort.
Trutiya vibhakti, ekavachanam. With effort or by effort, eva, Udyamena eva. Eva means only.
Only.
Udyamena eva siddhyanti.
Can be achieved.
Are achieved.
Attained.
achieve.
Ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Which lakara?
Bahuvachanam.
Which lakara?
Lat lakara bahuvachanam.
Lat lakara bahuvachanam. Karyani.
Karyani here is Pratama Purusha bahuvachana.
Napumsakalinga karyam.
Pratama Purushava. This is a Namapadam.
Namapadam.
Karta.
Prathama Vibhakti Napumsakalingam Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachana.
No, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Karyani Siddhyanti.
Okay. Kim na siddhyanti. Karyani.
Karta na?
It is Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Karyani.
Here it is karta, no? Because there is no other karta.
Prathama Vibhakti bahuvachana.
Pratama Vibhakti bahuvachana.
Karyani na.
Astu.
Karyani siddhyanti udyameva naiva. Udyame naiva.
So na is what?
No.
Avyeya.
Avyeya padam. Manorathaihi.
Chesi Manoratha.
Chaturthi ekavachana.
Tena tabhyam taihi.
Taihi, no. Tritiya bahuvachana.
Manorathena manorathabhyam manorathaihi.
Tritiya bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana pullinga shabda. Manoratha.
So karyani udyamena iva siddhyanti na manorathaihi. So the works are achieved only by effort, not with wishes. That's the literal translation. Anantaram Dvitiyam Vakyam. Na avyaya hi. What is hi?
Indeed.
Emphasizing.
Indeed. And it's a avyaya. Suptasya.
Shashti.
Shashti Vibhakti.
Ekavachanam.
Simhasya.
Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
So
Suptasya can become Visheshana also, no, Mahodaya?
Visheshana Vishesha.
Visheshana Vishesha Bhavaha. So Suptasya Simhasya. What type of lion? A sleeping lion. Of a sleeping lion. Pravishanti.
Enter.
Kriyapada.
Pratama Purusha bahuvachana.
Lakara.
Lakara bahuvachana.
So we have to say Lakara Purusha Vachana. Astu. Mukhe.
Saptami ekavachana.
Vibhakti ekavachana.
Simhasya mukhe.
Mukham is Napumsakalinga.
Mrugaha.
Karta.
Bahuvachana. Pratama Vibhakti bahuvachana.
Mrugaha. Mrugaha, Mrugau, Mrugaha. Pumlinga Bahuvachana. So this can be rewritten as
Suptasya Simhasya
Mukhe
Mrugaha
Nahi pravishanti.
Pravishanti Nahi.
Let's keep it simple. Suptasya Simhasya Mukhe Mrugaha Nahi Pravishanti. Mrugaha pravishanti, mrugaha na pravishanti, mrugaha nahi pravishanti. Kutra na pravishanti, mukhe na pravishanti. Kasya mukhe na pravishanti, simhasya, suptasya simhasya. Like that. So,
Tadrisham suptasya simhasya.
Kidrushasya. Astu. So, we don't have to do such a detailed analysis for the exam. I'm only teaching it to you so that you'll, if you forget the meaning, you can derive it in the exam. But for the exam, you just have to memorize this English translation or Tamil or Sanskrita. Any questions about this Subhashitam?
Do we need to write the literal translation as well, or can we just leave it at the first 2 lines?
See, you see this English translation?
Yeah.
Memorize this and write it in the exam. That's it.
You must also write the deer animal, not just hard work alone yields.
Because this is the translation of the second line.
So we have to, okay, thank you.
No, this whole translation is for both the lines. This one is only for the first line. They go together.
Okay, all right.
Astu. Kasya krama asti? Coincidentally, Usha Mahodaya, it's your turn. Pathatu.
Na kaschidapi janati kim kasya shvo bhavishyati ataha shvaha karaniyani kuryad daiva buddhidaman.
Buddhiman.
That's okay. Buddhiman. Sorry.
That is how the font has rendered it. It is Buddhiman. Punaha pathatu.
Na kaschidapi janati kim kasya shvo bhavishyati ataha shvaha karaniyani kuryadadaiva buddhiman.
Kuryadatyaiva na kaschidapi janati.
Kuryadatyaiva.
Na kaschidapi janati kim kasya shvo bhavishyati ataha shvaha karaniyani kuryat adyaiva buddhiman. So let us split this. Let us spend 5 minutes in trying to split this so that if you encounter it, you can easily do it. Kaschidapi, kaschit api, janati kim kasya. So this is sandhi. Shvaha bhavishyati ataha shvaha karaniyani kuryat
adya eva
buddhiman. So that is how the shloka goes, subhashitam goes. So here kriya padam is bhavishyati. Bhavishyati means
future.
Will happen.
Will happen in the future.
It will happen in the future. Na kaschidapi janati kim kasya shvaha bhavishyati. So shvaha bhavishyati. What is shvaha?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow
Will happen tomorrow.
Tomorrow will happen. What will happen tomorrow? Kim shvaha bhavishyati. What will happen tomorrow? Kasya shvaha bhavishyati. Of whom? Of whom? Kim kasya. Of whom what tomorrow will become? Na kaschit api janati. So if we rewrite, so kriya padam is janati. So na kim kasya shvaha bhavishyati iti na kaschit api janati. So that is an easy way of rewriting it. So now can somebody guess the meaning?
Mahodaya, bhavishyati is also kriya padam, right?
For this fragment. For the entire sentence, this one.
Banu Mahodaya?
Nobody will know.
No.
Go ahead.
So kasya kim bhavishyati.
Can I go ahead?
Sudama, Srividya Mahoday, clear what?
No, I wanted to ask, is this to whom or from whom? Kasya means?
You tell me. We learned the Kim Shabda. Where does Kasya come?
5-1.
Kasya is
Of
6-1.
Oh,
Shashti.
Shashti. Shashti means of.
Kasya kim bhavishyati, of whom what happens.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Vadatu Haraprasad Mahodaya.
Yeah. And nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow.
That is the general meaning. So, of whom?
Okay. Of whom? What happens
tomorrow?
Tomorrow. What will happen tomorrow? That is within quotes.
Right.
Na kaschit api janati.
Kaschit means anyone or anyone. Kaschit, that's the meaning. So karta prathama vibhakti ekavachana. Well, actually it is avyaya, but that is how it is derived from. Kaschit means anyone.
Okay. So na kaschit means nobody. No. Nobody also knows.
Janati, knows. Lakara, etc. What is janati?
Yeah, janati is prathama purusha, ekavachana, lat lakara, jandatuhu. Uttama.
So, of somebody, or of anybody, what will happen tomorrow, thus nobody knows. Uttama.
Not Jan.
Mahodaya, the Kasya Shabda is not required, no? We can do without the Kasya also, right? Shvaha kim bhavishyati iti na janati.
Fine. Well, it is here because of somebody what happens. It is not talking about in general what happens tomorrow or what will happen tomorrow. It talks about of somebody or of anybody what will happen tomorrow. Next one. Who wants to try? Ataha. What is ataha?
Therefore.
Therefore.
Shvaha again.
Tomorrow.
Karaniyani is what must be done. What must be done. Kuryat.
Do it.
Will do or may do. May they do it. Buddhiman kuryat. Buddhiman kriya karta asti. Buddhiman kuryat.
Adya eva.
Buddhiman.
Today alone.
Ataha shvaha karaniyani adya eva kuryat. That is how we would rewrite. Satya. So Buddhiman. What is a Buddhiman?
One who has buddhi.
Simple.
So let's try somebody who has not said Sudha Mahoday. Prayatnam karot.
A wise person. Therefore, a wise person. Shvaha. Shvaha is tomorrow. Adya is today. Today itself, he will do all the pending work, all the
Karaniyani. So Karyani is implied there. So Karaniyani Karyani. Whatever must be done, the things that must be done, Adya eva, today only.
Today itself, Kurya.
They do. Kuryat. We haven't studied this form. Don't worry about it. For now, let us take the meaning as will do it. So we don't know of whom what happens tomorrow, or actually nobody knows of whom what will happen tomorrow. That is why the wise person will do whatever needs to be done tomorrow, today itself. Spashtam va? Prashnaः santi va? So nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow and to whom. Therefore, the wise accomplish tomorrow's task today itself. So for the exam, this is all you need to memorize.
To whom or of whom? Of Kasya.
Of whom. We just copied and pasted this from the book. In the book, I think they say it as to whom. I think they are trying to keep it very simple. We are studying at a little more advanced level. So you are correct. Of whom only is correct. चैत्र महोदय कृपया पठतु.
अस्तु महोदय. सदयं हृदयं यस्य भाषितं सत्यभूषितं कायः परहिते यस्य कलिस्तस्य करोति किम्.
उत्तमं. सदयं हृदयं यस्य भाषितं सत्यभूषितं कायः परहिते यस्य कलिस्तस्य करोति किम्. Let us quickly do the same exercise. Sadayam hrudayam yasya bhashitam subhashitam. So if we rewrite it,
yasya
अत्र प्रयत्नं करोतु चैत्र महोदय. I have rewritten this for you. अत्र क्रियापदं किं अस्ति प्रयत्नं करोतु. What can be the kriyapadam or what is the kriyapadam?
Bhashitam?
No. Asti. Here it is asti.
Oh, asti.
We haven't studied this form. Don't worry. So asti. Now try to say the meaning if you are able to. Yasya. What is yasya?
Yasya whose?
Shashti ekavachanam.
Shashti ekavachanam.
Yad shabda.
Yad shabda. Hrudayam. Hrudaya is heart. Heart, and then sadayam bhashitam.
Hrudayam sadayam. These two go. They go together.
Hrudayam sadayam. Sadayam, is it sada always related to that?
Daya.
Daya.
Okay. Sada daya bhushitam asti sadayam.
Okay, who is kind-hearted? Kind-hearted.
Always.
Always kind-hearted. Then bhashitam.
They go together.
Okay, bhashitam satya bhushitam. So satya bhushitam, one whose truth is an ornament. Satya bhushitam. So abhushanam.
Full of satya, full of truth.
Okay, so bhashitam. So bhashitam satya bhushitam means one whose words are truthful always.
One whose words are filled with truth.
Filled with truth.
Of whom or whose heart is filled with daya and whose words are filled with truth.
Truth.
Astu. Viraj Mahodaya, etat prayatnam karoti.
Mahodaya, that satyam, is it satyam? Sandhi.
Satya bhushitam.
Hrudayam satyam.
What?
I'm saying, is it da or ta? Sadyam.
This
Is
is
it because of
sadayam.
sandhi? Is it becoming because of sandhi?
No, it is not satyam, it is sadayam, daya.
Okay.
From that. Whose heart is filled with daya. That is what this means.
Bhanu Modaya, I should try, right?
I was just rearranging this for you. Karotu.
Yasya kayah parahite kalihi tasya kim karoti. Okay, karoti is the kriya pada.
Uttamam.
So it is latlakara ekavachana. So karta should be ekavachana. Yasya is there, tasya karoti. So
see, atra pashyatu yasya tasya. That pair is there. That should give you an indication of the first part is telling you something that will apply to the second part.
Yes. Yasya kayah parahite.
Sorry, not kalihi. Yasya kayah Kshamyata. Yasya kayah parahite asti.
Parahite asti. Tasya kalihi kim karoti.
Tasya kalihi kim karoti. Idanim vadatu. Now tell the meaning.
Okay.
Kayah. What is kayah?
Body or the
parahite.
It is kind of helping others or
in helping others.
Saptami ekavachana
in helping others whose body is then
tasya, then
tasya is what? Of him.
For him.
Of, not for. Tasya shashti ekavachanam. Tad shabda. Tasya tayoho tesham.
Astu Mahodaya. Yes.
Tasya
kalihi kim karoti. And then kim will be dvitiya. Kalihi will be also be in dvitiya then. Kalihi kim karoti.
Karta kaha atra.
Kalihi karoti. Okay.
Kali is Kali Purusha.
Kali Purusha.
Kim karoti. What will he do?
Yeah, what can he do, right? Yeah.
Pratama. So, whose body is for the others? What can Kali do of him? So, if you take the entire Subhashitam together, whose words are full of truth, whose heart is full of daya, and whose body is for others or is in the service of others, what can Kali do of him?
Astu Mahodaya. Yeah.
Spashtam va? Prashna santi va?
Those who live for others alone live, the rest are more dead than alive. Vivekananda's words.
That is fine. Satyam. So again, for these three Subhashitas, you just have to learn the meaning. Prashnaः santi va? Astu. Let us try to finish the last topic in Atmanepadi, Lang Lakara. We studied Lat Lakara, Lot Lakara, Rut Lakara. What is Lang Lakara?
Past tense.
Bhutakala.
Bhutakala.
Bhutakala. Chatraha gurum avandata. Avandata is the Prathama Purusha Ekavachana form in Lang Lakara. Avandata, saluted in the past. We saw Vand Dhatu. This comes from Vand Dhatu. So what was the Latlakara form of Vand Dhatu? Anybody?
Vande.
Vandate.
Vandate.
Vandate. Vandate. Vandete.
Vandate.
Vandante.
Anantaram.
Vandase, vandete, vandate.
Vandase. Vandate. Vandadve.
Vandadve.
Vande.
Vande, vandavahe, vandamahe.
Vandamahe.
Mahe.
Mahe.
Mahe. Not Vahai. Latlakara. We are talking Latlakara. Vandate, vandete, vandante, vandase, vandethe, vandatve, vande, vandavahe, vandamahe.
Vandamahe.
And then Lrutlakara. Vandishyate. Ka vaktumichati.
Vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante. Vandishyase, vandishyete, vandishyadve. Vandishye, vandishyamahe, vandishyamahe.
Bhavishyat Kala. And what are the Lotlakara forms? Anybody without looking remembers it?
Vandatam. Vandetam. Vandadvam.
Vandatam. Vandetam. Vandantam.
Vandantam. Then
Vandaswa.
Vandaswa. Vandetham.
Vandatam.
Vandata.
Vandadvam.
Vandadvam. Vandadvam. Vandai. Vandavahi. Vandamahi.
Vandatam. Vandetam. Vandantam. Vandaswa. Vandetham. Vandadvam. Vandai. Vandavahai. Vandamahai. So those are the three forms, and today we'll learn the last form. Bhutakala, Lang Lakara. Avandata, Amandetam, Avandanta. Chatraha, Gurum, Avandanta. Avandata. So the teacher did the Vandana to the student did the Vandana to the teacher. Chatrau, Gurum, Avandetam. Two of them did that. Chatraha, Avandanta. Avandata, Avandetam, Avandanta. Avandata, Avandetam, Avandanta. Abhashata, Abhashetam, Abhashanta, ityadi. And the special forms, Krudhatu, Akuruta, Akurvatam, Akurvata. Adatta, Adadatam, Adadata. So those are the forms in Prathama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha, Avandathaha, Avandetham, Avandadhvam. Tvam Gurum Avandathaha. You in the past saluted the teacher. Yuvam Avandetham, Yuyam Avandadhvam. So Avandathaha, Avandetham, Avandadhvam. Abhashathaha, Abhashetham, Abhashadhvam, etc. Here, each dhatu, I have to point out, it will be Aikshata, Aikshetam, Aikshanta. So, A will come in front of the E, A and E become I due to Sandhi. So, Aikshata, Aikshetam, Aikshanta in Prathama Purusha, Evameva, Aikshataha, Aikshetam, Aikshadhvam in Madhyama Purusha. Special forms, Kru and Da, Akuruthaha, Akurvatham, Akurudhvam, Adathaha, Adadatham, adadvam. And in Uttama Purusha, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. I, the two of us, and all of us, or many of us. Avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Abhashe, abhashavahi, abhashamahi. And each will become aikshe, aikshavahi, aikshamahi due to sandhi. Visesha Rupani, akurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi, adadi, adadvahi, adadmahi. Prashnaha santi va? You just have to practice this and do abhyasa on this. Don't be overwhelmed with this. We will do some more abhyasa. Atmanepadi forms are a little trickier compared to Parasmaipadi form. That is why in modern usage, we try to use Parasmaipadi form as much as possible. Everybody forgets the Atmanepadi form. Myself, I forget. Yesterday, my teacher was also saying Atmanepadi forms we rarely use. That's why we get confused. But we have to learn because we are all interested in studying Shastras and because they are also there for the exam. So we will practice this some more. We will do lots of abhyasa, and that is the only way to memorize them. Let us try some abhyasas. Bhagya Mahoday, कृपया प्रयत्नं करोतु.
Teacher explained the lesson. Shikshakaha abhyasam abhashata.
Abhashata. Shikshakaha patham abhashata.
Abhashata.
Abhashata, abhashetam, abhashanta. So, shikshakaha patham abhashata. Prayatnam, dvivachana and bahuvachana.
Shikshakaha shikshakau patham abhashetam. Shikshakaha patham abhashanta.
Abhashanta. Uttamam. Chaitra Mahoday. Same sentence, Madhyama Purushe.
Shikshakaha patham abhashataha.
Shikshakaha va? Madhyama Purusha.
Oh, Shikshakaha. Okay. Madhyama Purusha. Tvam. Tvam patham abhashataha. Yuvam patham abhashetam. Yuyam patham abhashadvam.
Meaning?
You teach the lesson. Both of you teach the lesson. All of you teach the lesson.
Uttamam. Sumitra Mahoday. Uttama Purushe. Same sentence.
Aham abhashe. Aham abhashe.
Aham patham abhashe.
Okay. Aham patham abhashe. Avam patham abhashavahe. Vahi. Sorry. Abhavashavahi. Abhavashavahi, right? Bhashavahi. Okay. Bhashavahi. And Vayam is Abhavashamahi.
Bhasha. First get that bhasha. Bhasha.
Okay, Bhashamahi before I put
Satyam. Abhashavahi, abhashamahi. I teach the lesson, the two of us teach the lesson, many of us teach the lesson. Evameva, we will do more abhyasas in the next class. Prashnaha santi va?
Yeah, is it not taught? It is the past tense.
Kshamyatam. You're right. Bhutakala. We taught in the past, or you taught in the past. Satyam. Anye prashnaha santi va?
Mahodaya, this Asmanepati will be, will come in the Pravesha also. It's covered in the Pravesha.
That is why we are learning them, Mahodaya.
Okay.
We will do a lot more abhyasa. Whatever will be in the exam will be very simple, like what we learned. I studied, I will study, I am studying. They will keep it to that level. Pravesha exam is very straightforward. Don't panic, don't get confused.
Okay.
The main thing is knowing the concepts. What is a vibhakti? What are the different vibhakti forms? What do they mean? What are the different lakaras? What do they mean? That is the most important thing. The other forms, we will keep encountering different forms throughout our journey. So it won't stop here. I mean, we will stop for the Pravesha class here with the new words. But as you continue your journey, the next 20 years, 30 years, you'll keep encountering new things. But there are patterns. I hope I didn't scare off everybody, but no, this is good, because as we learn all of these, the reading of the shlokas and all those become very easy. I can guarantee you, most of you, when you start doing your puja and just pay attention to what you're saying as part of the puja mantras, you already know 80-90% of the meaning over the whatever you learned from the last 1 year. I'm guaranteeing it, most of you will know what you are doing as part of the puja. In the past, when we said aham arkyam samarpayami, whatever it says, that I'm reading it. Now you'll say aham, I samarpayami. If somebody says samarpayati, you'll say no, it is aham, so it will be samarpayami. Arkyam, karmapadam, whatever I'm samarpayami. Dhupam, naivedyam, whatever it is. So just read, just pay attention when you are doing your puja karyakrama in the morning, or when you're doing chanting of Vishnu Sahasranama, Lalita Parayana, whatever it is, you are almost there. Most of you are all of you are almost there. Just needs little more abhyasa. So keep doing the abhyasa.
Satyam Mahodaya, Satyam.
Like today, Mahodaya, you said Mata Shabdaha. Shri Matre Namaha.
Shri Matre Namaha. Satyam.
So we understood that it's in
Chaturthi Vibhakti. And because it is Namaha, it has to be in Chaturthi. Satyam. Astu Samayaha Bhavat. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, Krupaya Mangala Shlokam Karotu. Anantaram. I will stay back for a few minutes if anybody has questions. Ekakshanam.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Dhanyavadah Mahodaya. Sarvebhyah dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah
Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.